This Junko is bored. Maybe it should play football. Junko versus Junko. They know the moves and the game is coming off to a good start. Why is Mr. Junko playing on the wrong court? It's the wrong court. He needs to go to the other court, you know. But guess who intercepted the game? The common house sparrow. Do the Junkos think they can do it? Mr. Junko thinks he can. But there are tons of sparrows here. Well, Mr. Chickadee has no idea what's going on though. It's Junko versus Sparrows. The game has started. The Sparrows have their plan. But some are hanging out at the fence. I thought the game just started. So many players, mostly Sparrow players. Touchdown, 1 point for Sparrow. Touchdown, the Junkos got a point for them too. The Junkos and Sparrows tied, and they both thought it was a fun day, or a fun game.